What's up, YouTubers? Hadn't uploaded in a while. I've been sick, and I've actually been in the hospital some, but I'm on the mend. Everything's going well. Anyway, I've been back to the auction and kind of just do a little scan, see if anybody can pick up what I've got. Oh wait, it says right there. Oh, kinda. It's almost smudged away. Yes, a lexus es350, the puppy dog edition. This car has been, I don't know if you can tell on the phone because of the shading and what have you, but this car has been was owned by a dog lover, and therefore it was very cheap at auction. 2010, 137,690 miles. Mechanically, it's perfect. Runs and drives great. It's got a new set of tires on it. You know, things like the console and stuff look pretty good, which I'm surprised considering how dirty it is. I mean, it's filthy. There's makeup. I got makeup splattered. I don't know if you can see. Oh, here we go. We got makeup smeared here. I've got makeup just, I mean, there was makeup on the dash. Just, God, it was a mess. I've tried to clean some of it up. Oh yeah, here we go. Makeup up here, headliner, what have you. Jeez Louise. Okay. Pull out there. She's got the beans, baby. 3.5 liter. I think it's about 275 horse, 272 or something like that. It's got plenty of get up and go. And cruise is just plumb lovely. Plumb lovely. But yeah, this one's got, I guess it's a premium package ES350. I don't know if that's exactly what you call it, but it has the upgraded navigation with rear backup camera. It has the parking sensors. It has the nice wood grain steering wheel. We have heated and ventilated seats. These things are not your standard fare on an ES, so it's nice to see these options. I think along with the upgraded nav, and you get upgraded radio too. Now, I don't know if it's Mark no, I don't think it's Mark Levinson because it doesn't say it anywhere. But it's a great sounding system. I mean, it sounds terrific. What else does it? Oh, you get silly things like the rear sunshade. Check that out. Oh yeah, isn't that cool? Yeah, got the power rear sunshade. So it's got some options. I don't know if you can see, but I've got a mirror that is taped together, I believe. I believe it's taped together. This one has a little tape on it too, so I'm not sure if the housings were falling apart or if I know the housing's falling apart on that one because when I grab it, I could feel it moving around. But it's got a little damage on this side, and I'll stop up here and do a little walk around. Burn the wheels out here. Just a healthy engine, man. This thing would pull all day long. Woo. Man, it's got some power. Okay. Pull her right in here. Come on. Alright, let's do a little walk around. All right. I need to check the trunk. I've not even looked at the trunk. Oh, it's got smart key access too. I have the key in my pocket. Let's see what we got in here, huh? A little dirty. Got the first aid kit still intact. Ah. Now that thing looks rough. It's been curb damaged, and it looks like it's a Michelin. It's been used all the way to the end, but the toolkit's in place, and the jack, that tire's been, look at that. I threw it on there and used it, or someone did. Ooh, can't lose my tag. Get on there. Stay. See, a little beat up. It's a little beat up. Got some damage right there. A broken light. Got some door dings right there, but other than that, it's pretty good shape. But yeah, this thing is taped all together. It just feels like it's gonna fall off at any moment. So I need to get some tape back on that. No, I need to find a housing. I've got a little bump right here, and it looks like the bumper is kind of, some of the clips are broken there. So I'm gonna have to work on that. But it's got a new set of tires. Cheap tires, but it's got a new set. It's got the self-leveling xenon lights. So that's good. Let's check under the hood. See this Hardy V. Oh, it's dirty. Oh, how dirty it is. Attention! This vehicle has been maintained at Nally Lexus. Many parts are covered by long-term factory warranties. Having service history should help the resale value. Well, that's fantastic. Picked it up for $5,900, which I don't think is too bad. Even with a little bit of damage on the corner, I don't think it's had, but you can see it's got some wear and tear here and there. There's some of that makeup. It's the strangest shade. Just, ugh. So, you know, it's not a beauty queen. Oh, it has the optional, oh shit. It has the optional side rear airbags. Huh. That's kind of a rare option. So this thing has 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 airbags because it has front knee airbags for front driver and passenger. Yeah, 10 airbags. That's crazy. But yeah, you can see I'm gonna have to detail this thing out big time. Got scuff marks everywhere, puppy dog prints everywhere. So, should be fun. But anyway, just wanted to show y'all real quick this car. Trying to get my seatbelt on. Like I said, I picked it up for $5,900. Let's do a start up. Runs pretty good, man. So anyway, just wanted to do a little video of that. There's the rear camera. And when you put it in reverse, the rear sunshade goes down so you can see where the hell you're going. So anyway, yeah, pretty nice little car. I'm pretty impressed. I'll do a video when I get done cleaning it up, fixing it up, and putting it up for sale. And we'll see how it turns out. Y'all have a great night. Thanks. Bye.